Day 5 of training. Day 5. 1, 2, 3. One more. Up. Yes, very nice. Slowly, slowly control. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes, good. Good one.
Maybe milk, not goat.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. More up. Yes. Yes, good. Nice. Only one mistakes, huh? Yes. All perfect.